My name is Timur. I'm from Hungary,
Okay.
and
Are you
I'm-
farmers, or you consultants, or business people, or what are you?
all of you.
Oh, okay. Cool.
I'm a member of the board of Hungarian Sheep and Goat Association,
Okay.
and I'm a little farmer with a couple of goats for milk production, and we do cheeses at home in family level.
Cool. So why do you think networks like these is so important?
It's important because of the knowledge. We can learn new technologies, new issues about the technique, yeah, and we can meet on international level. We can meet other people who works with the same breeds or same animals.
So what are the impressions so far?
Sorry.
What are the impressions so far? What do you think?
I feel good here.
Yeah.
So it's a really good place and really good people here. So I hope it will be useful. Yes.
Great. Thank you so much.